This video shout out goes to 𝐿𝑖𝑠𝑒, Nora_K, and AG Star Films for commenting "Crockpot needs cleaning." Also, welcome to my first holiday video. Wow, gee, Frederick, what do you see here? Okay, sorry, I'm like the worst actor ever. Yes, never gonna be in a film. But today we have this box. Okay, we need a proper intro. Hey guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and today I have this box from AGovation, aka Izzy, and we did a gift exchange, holiday gift exchange. I'm so excited to be opening this box from her because she's like so awesome. And we're just gonna be opening it up today. She also will have a video on her channel, so make sure you check that video out. But I got this box just today, and now we are just going to rip out the sharp knife, the sharp tool. Stay back, Frederick. Okay, sorry, that was really... Don't do that ever. That was not a very good example. Alright, so we're gonna cut the tape. Oh, this is loose. How dare it be loose. But wait! Can we just show some appreciation for moi? Okay, sorry. I promise I'm not that weird. For putting this tree up within like 30 seconds because I did it under adrenaline because I was so excited that I got my package and I wanted to set up my set. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, let's just cut here. I want to be very careful. Oh my goodness. And yes, make sure you go check out AGovation's channel. I'll have her channel linked in the description box. Oops. Oh my gosh, it's opening up. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Pull yourself together, Perky. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, it's opening up. Alright, let's see. Oh my goodness. I love surprises. Well, especially when they're good. Okay, I keep knocking the poor camera. Alright, we got a box from Staples. Oh my gosh. There's stuff inside. Oh my gosh. Okay, green. I see green. I see green bubble wrap. What am I supposed to do with this? I don't know. Okay, let's just tilt you down. Let's go. Okay, let's pick this first. Positions.
No way.
That's the name of Ariana Grande's album. Okay, hold on. Oh, it's a cute little bow. Oh, #respect. Okay, positions. If this is like Ariana Grande or something, I don't know. I'm just excited. Positions. Oh my gosh, what is this? It's purple and it's fabric. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! It's a position sewed. Did she sew this? Dude, did you? I think it's so hand sewn. Oh my goodness. I'm shook right now. Oh my gosh. Yes, Ariana Grande is like my queen. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Okay, thank you so much, Izzy. This is iconic. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is like what I think it is. I don't even know what this is. Boy, one little Spotify thing. No way! No way! Is this glass? Dude, this is real glass.
Okay, if I die on this, you know, it's all your fault.
Oh my gosh, that is so cute! Look at that! It's a little, like, those aesthetic things, you know? Yes! Thank you so much, this means so much. Thank you. Bubble wrap, I love, wait. Okay, I love bubble wrap. We just have to pop some on camera. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna put it over here to live its best life. No! Okay, it's fine. Let's move on to green bubble wrap. Ooh, this will be nice sounds. Ooh, yeah. Okay, anyway, that's not about that. We have a note. Am I supposed to open this yet? I don't think I am, so I'm not going to. Later. Christmas. Okay, I love how she did all these little labels. Oh look, free hair ties. Okay, cool. This better not have any metal on it because those metal hair ties. Just kidding. Aw, cool. Okay, they don't have metal. Good for you, Izzy. You did not choose bad hair ties. Doll clothes, dude. Doll clothes? Oh my gosh. Ah! Okay, what is this? It's a shirt! Because look how cute it is. Thank you so much. This is so cute. I'm gonna put this on my models, definitely. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Just thank you so much. I don't even know. Okay. Oh my gosh, is this an aesthetic doll bag? Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, a doll stocking. Okay, that is cute. Okay, she put like so much work into this. Thank you, I appreciate it, girl. This doll stocking is like, chef's kiss right there. Okay, we have a mini scrunchie. This is like the most precious thing I've ever seen in my entire life. We have doll Christmas cookies. I think that's what they are. That looks so cute. How do you even do this? I don't want to like break them because like that'd be tragic. Okay. They're doll-sized Christmas cookies, I'm pretty sure. Thank you so much. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I have to take photos with this. Okay. Sorry. Fangirl over here. Alright. Last but not least, giant thingy. I'm going to get this box out of here so you guys can see my cute little set that I worked so hard to rip up within a matter of seconds. Okay. Also the card. We cannot forget the card. 𝕠𝕠𝕤𝐤𝐃 chicken nugget. 𝕠𝕠𝐤𝐃, no way. 𝕠𝕠𝐤𝐃 is the name of my boy doll. No, she did not give me boy doll clothes. She did not. No stinking way. How did you afford this? Me, poor. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. These jeans, dude. Dude, these boy doll clothes are iconic. I'm gonna cry right now. Oh my gosh. Look, Aaliyah's little shirt. Dude, 𝕠𝕠𝐤𝐃's gonna love this, okay? He's just gonna love this. Look at the cute little, like, plaid. Okay, that is freaking adorable. Okay, stop. Stop it. No, stop. Stop! Okay, thank you so much. I can't even right now. Okay, I'm gonna, like, stop being so weird. But thank you. Let's her time.
Alright, let's get a load of this.
Dearest Perky. Okay, we're gonna read this. Oh my gosh, I cannot express how excited I am to swap. I'm super happy we decided to do this through and through. Yes, full, I know. Clear though. I hope you have this stuff. I hope you enjoy this stuff. False smile on face. Oh, iconic. I had a ton of fun making it, and I hope Mindy, 𝕠𝕠𝐤𝐃, Chicken Nugget, Nori, and all the others, including Frederick, Susan the Turtle, Susan the Turtle is an iconic turtle, by the way. I'm so happy because we became friends, and every day, I have so much fun talking to you. It's so crazy to see how similar you are to me. 𝕠𝕠𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤. Oh, yes, that's my phone. Yes, clean. You always crack me up. I'm so excited to show you what I have for you. Okay, I'm gonna start talking now. Izzy, AGovation. Sorry for my awful handwriting, smack said. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay. You know, it's not that awful. Mine's probably more awful. You're reading mine probably right now because we are opening this up at the same time. Hold on, guys. Let me just go ahead and just text her for a moment. Izzy, I got your gift. I opened it. It was amazing. I can't even right now. I will talk more later because I'm filming. No, yours was. No. Wait. I'ma record the screen. Alright. We are looking at AGovation on Instagram. Alright, we are texting. Yep, sure. Okay, you're on camera. Say cheese. Okay, sorry, my voice is actually disgusting. I am so sorry for your loss. She says hi. Yes, cheese. Okay, well, we must get back to our video. Bye. No! Yours was so much better, dude. I don't even know what I gave you, though. Okay, you all about to fall over. No! No. Dude. Okay, sorry. I don't need it. Okay, you guys don't want to see this. Stop. No. Okay, we're still gonna argue about that, but back over here. Wow, this pile of gifts, it's overwhelming. This is literally the best Christmas ever, and it's not even Christmas! Okay, wait, this is 𝕠𝕠𝐤𝐃. He is my boy doll. I haven't even introduced you to him. Say hello, 𝕠𝕠𝐤𝐃. Yes, he is mighty fine, but this is the only outfit he has, so I'm so happy for these outfits. So, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here's the fancy shirt on him. He doesn't have any pants on. Oh my gosh, don't look. Okay, but here's the fancy shirt. Okay, guys, here he is in his beautiful new outfit. So you know, he just looks so mighty fun. Is he going to take over Frederick's star as the PerkyTomato heartthrob? No, probably not. Sorry, Andrew. You'll never replace this bear. You'll never replace him. Never. Anyways, thank you so much, Izzy. I can't even thank you enough. I know you know that I'm very thankful. So good. I achieved my goal. Anyways, thank you again. And then the beautiful Christmas cookies, like, I'm gonna cry. Yeah, alright guys, that is basically it. Thank you so much for joining me to open up this amazing box from Izzy. Make sure you go subscribe to her because she is the best human, okay? Alright guys, that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below because I love talking to you guys. And if you watched this far, please comment down below, yeet. Please comment down below, yeet. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all, share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.